Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the HOMPOW BL-45 mini projector. You can get this product on Amazon for about $70. Check out the link in the description. The projector comes with a remote, an AV cable, a power cable, an HD cable, a 100-inch projector screen and a user manual. The user manual tells you everything you need to know about setting up and operating the projector. The projector screen comes with hooks, so you can easily mount it. The projector is pretty small and lightweight and has all important buttons on top, so you can also use it without the remote. Setting up the projector is very easy and only takes a few minutes. In the settings you can change the picture quality, sound quality and more. I use the projector with my Google Chromecast, so I switched the input source to HDMI. I tested the projector for a few days and I think it's a very nice product. It's easy to set up, it's not too loud and the picture quality is pretty good. So if you are looking for a small projector with a good picture quality for home cinema or video games, I would recommend the HOMPOW BL-45 mini projector. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.